Hello po, online world. Ayan, nagkuko tayo ng tada! It's chicken adobo. So, ayan po, chicken adobo. Elias requested to cook his favorite food. So, let's taste it.
He actually makes videos on YouTube. Now he's known as this character with like a hat, like orange, I'm pretty sure, and then like the blue shirt, gray pants, and weird iconic.
So, taste good na po. Ayan po ang ating chicken adobo. So, perfect na yung color niya. Meron po itong half kilo lang po itong kinuk namin na chicken. Tapos, ang sangkap natin ay bawang sibuyas, chicken, paminta, and seasoning. So, that's all. Thank you for watching and happy eating. Bye-bye. Let's turn it off. Thank you for watching.